What do you think the word instinct means? Like, what do you think it is? Take a moment, really think about that. Sanford Meisner, great acting teacher, he said that it's all about letting your instincts drive your acting. What does that mean? What does that translate into what I actually do? Well, if you look up the definition and you figure out what instinct is, it's really without conscious thought. If you think about instinct, you think of animal instinct, survival instinct. Someone who plays sports, when they're on the field or they're on the court, they're not thinking their way through the problem. They're not thinking their way through the play. They're playing the game. If you can find a way to do that, it's really gonna help you on set, and here's why. I've acted in over 60 film projects, and almost every single one of them involved something called camera blocking or rehearsal for camera. What that means is we need to rehearse the action between the actors so that the camera team, who's photographing it obviously, can determine where they're going to put their shots, their setups. Now, a lot of times they plan this stuff beforehand, but in the moment, they want to see what does it look like in the space. And if the actors are here and we get them in a rehearsal and they go through the action of the scene, typically the camera operator, DP, gaffer, lighting team, camera team, etc., sound team as well, are going to sit back and watch. And they're going to start to map out a plan. And they may stop you in the middle of rehearsal and go, hold on. So do we think do we want a 2-shot here? Do we want a wide to set up the action? Do we want to eventually push into a close-up? But on what angle and how are we going to match eye line? They're going to go through all of this stuff about how does the camera get placed in the scene so they can make the day and shoot the film.
The process is cinematographer Robbie Ryan and I, by the time we're rehearsing in here, we've now shot listed the movie probably twice. But then the actors are gonna feel their way through this idea. And sometimes there's choreography that I have that they'll just say, yeah, no, it makes sense. And then other times, actually, I don't think I should stand yet, or I'd like to stand earlier, or I don't know that I would come out on that line. And then we all kind of get into it together.
The more professional sets always rely on the director obviously making the decision, but the director asking the actors what feels right to you. The director is asking you instinctively, how do you respond to that moment? They're all making choices based on the actor's instinct, based on how the director set it up and the writer ultimately set it up. As the story comes to life from an actor, they're relying on you working from your instincts. I can't tell you how many times someone said, do you feel like standing up on that line and walking towards her and doing this and that? I don't know. Well, you better have an answer and you better have a justification for it. They start to map the way of capturing the behavior based on the instincts of the actor. If you want to be a professional, truthful, real actor, you have to work from your instincts. And when a director says, ooh, I like what you did there, does that feel right? Do you have an impulse to stand? Do you have an impulse to sit? Do you have an impulse to say it this way? Do you have an impulse to look at her like that? You have to be working from that place. If you don't know what you're doing, you're never going to get a job and you're never going to have a reputation that precedes you that leads to success and more bookings. So if you are looking for a way to act from your instincts, reach out to me. I teach actors one-on-one all over the world, Actors Lab at anytownpictures.com. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation with me. We can talk about your acting struggles, the goals that you have. I can tell you what I teach. I can help you become an instinctive actor, because it's the thing that you have to have. If you don't know how to do it, you can't be hired, because they're relying on a truthful actor to be able to make instinctive choices in the moment so they can photograph it in a way that's really compelling, truthful, and creates the illusion of belief for the audience, or suspends disbelief, right? I hope this helped. Follow for more acting tips like this one.